Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Code Genius Riya. So in our last video we have seen a overview of our app and now we are going to do some initial app setup. So first of all we are going to see that we are going to make two services in our app with two features along with that. So we have create a post and list all posts in the post service and create a comment feature and list all comment feature in the comment service. While this is my React application and these are my services that we are going to create. And first of all, we are doing some app setup. So we are going to create a React app and we are going to use Express.js for post and comment services. So we start by creating React app, then jump to post and comment service. Go to workspace directory of your PC first. First of all, you need to open the command prompt and inside that, first of all, after going to the workspace directory of your PC and inside of here, make a new folder that is block. For making the folder, we use mkdir. Okay, mkdir used for making directory. So I am using mkdir block and inside of block I want to go, so I will use cd. Cd is for going inside of that directory. So that's going to be where I am going to generate my entire setup for products or services. That's going to create this totality of our project inside of this block directory and then going to generate a new React application using the command that is npx create react app and the name of the React app. I am going to create a name of my React app that is client. Now click enter. After that, it takes some few minutes to process. Till then, I will jump to the second terminal. I'm going to open a second terminal window once again inside of my block directory. For going inside my block directory, I will use cd block. And inside this, I am going to create a folder for first my post service. So for creating a folder, I will use mkdir post and click enter. And inside of post, I want to go inside of it, so I will use cd post. And inside of here, I am going to generate a new package.json file and install couple of dependency into it. So I will use npm init-y. So that's going to generate a new package.json file. After that, I will generate some dependency in my package.json file. So I will use like npm install express course. I will going to tell you later that why I am installing this dependency and what are the use of it. And nodemon. Nodemon is basically actually to like run our project, like all of the code inside of it. Like we do not need to run again and again my server. It will automatically run the server by itself. So that's why we use nodemon. Okay. This is my third terminal and first of all I will go to my cd block and after that you can make a directory for comments. So I will do mkdir comments. Inside of it you can install the package.json file. So it will take a minute and it's just done. And after that you need to install some dependency. So npm install express to create our comment service and axios. I will tell you later why I'm going to use it. Then codes and node1 is for automatically running the server. Now commit will set up. Now I go to the first terminal, dependency install in second, and React application build in first. So changed my directory into the first terminal. So here in the first terminal also my React application, like all the dependency has been installed. So now I have like three terminals, first for client, other for post, and one is for comment. Okay, so I have done like initial setup. So in next video we are going to see like basically the coding of our Express.js. Okay, I hope you will get the point. Thank you.